Hey, what's shaking, soldiers? How are you doing this morning? This is Coach Donna J coming to you with a soft life habit when it comes to nutrition. And can you tell me what this is? You know what this interesting little thing is? It's actually a fruit. I'm going to peel this off and reveal this wonderful fresh fruit inside. I want to remove some of the fiber strands from it. This is tamarindo or tamarind. It's a very popular fruit here in Mexico. I know my African friends know what it is. So that's what it is. It comes out of this little shell, this little pod. And a lot of people make, water, fresh water, what we call fresca, agua fresca. It does have a little seed in there, but you can just eat it fresh. Get rid of that seed. Kind of have a sweet and sour taste to it. More sour than sweet. But, let me show you the seed. Yeah, just remove that. And you got a nice little snack. It's full of fiber. Can't eat the seed though. So what are you snacking on today? Let me know in the comments. Again, tamarindo. Nature's candy. Until next time, be well, live free, and prosper.